Hello everyone, my name is Michael Hussey and this is my introduction video for curriculum and development. Um, so a little bit about me. I'm a retired Marine, 25 years in the Marine Corps. I am entering my fourth year of teaching. I did 1 year of teaching Marine Corps JROTC in Hampton, Virginia. I'm on my third year of teaching Navy JROTC here in Sebastian, Florida. A little bit about my program. We run a bunch of different teams. As far as curriculum is concerned, it's a mandated curriculum that's handed down by the Navy. We kind of get to fluctuate as far as what subjects we're going to teach inside the curriculum, but as far as modifying it or just completely deviating from it, we cannot do that. So curriculum development is kind of hard. We can do improvements on it. We can add our own personal touches to it, but that's about it. With that though, they do kind of make it easy for us on how we have to test and everything. We use a system called Turning Point Cloud (TPC). Tests are built in, quizzes are built in, knowledge checks are built in. So although it makes our life easy when we're up on the podium teaching, when it comes to modifying it, we can't completely change the curriculum. I'm married. My wife's a retired Navy senior chief. We have two children, daughter 23, son 19. I'm trying to think what else. That's really about it for me. Oh, my short-term goal is to complete my master's, obviously, my graduate degree in education. Main reason for doing this, besides actually increasing my credentials as a professional educator, we teach a dual enrollment class from Embry-Riddle Aerospace Science, and so next year, myself and my coworker will become adjunct professors for Embry-Riddle University, teaching that class. So professionally, we are developing ourselves better. We are increasing our program, bettering the program, hopefully turning our dual enrollment program into a very professional program. It's expanding it to make it better for the students. And long-term goal is to better the program, the Navy JROTC program at Sebastian River High School. We do a lot of things. We've already done a lot of things to improve the program, but we want to do more. And by myself and my coworker getting our graduate degrees, becoming adjunct professors, and doing things like that, we are expanding the program and increasing our community service footprint here in Sebastian River. So we're trying to do a lot and improve a lot. So with that, that's it for me. Look forward to seeing your videos. Look forward to collaborate with everybody in the class, and have a great rest of your weekend.